Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube profile picture in a computer, but remember that this process can be done in a computer or a phone. So first of all, we're going to go to youtube.com, or in case you have the YouTube app, let's open it. Now here you're going to go to your picture profile that is on the upper right part, and you're going to click on it. Having a YouTube picture profile is pretty important, especially if you're a content creator or an active user of the platform. Now we're going to click on View Your Channel, and here we're going to have this new page. Now here, all you have to do is go to your picture profile, and there you're going to have the option to click on it. After you click on it, this is going to take us to this page where we're going to have different options. We are going to focus on picture, that is the one that we want to change, and we're going to click on change. After this, the desk window will open, and here I already have my picture example. Make sure that your picture is clear and in a high resolution. Also, choose a picture that represents your channel and your personal brand. Try to avoid pictures that has a lot of text or small details that do not look good in a small size. Double click on it, and here we can fit the picture as we want. Bigger, smaller, as you want, you can do it. Now, after this, we're going to click on done. And on the right part, you have this option, publish. Let's click on it. It might take a few seconds, and then your picture will be ready. Having a good picture profile also helps your profile to look more professional, and I don't know about you, but I remember the pages and profiles that I visit because of the pictures. So maybe it will help people to remember you. So now here we have our picture ready, and that's it. I hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Bye!